Hello friends, myself R.D. Mahajan presenting my video on inverse Laplace transform by partial fraction technique. Case number 3, when factors are real and quadratic. Let us find the inverse of 2s square minus 1 divided by first factor s square plus 1 into second factor s square plus 9. First we check whether it is proper fraction or not. Therefore, the degree of numerator term is 2 here, and degree of denominator term is 2 into 2, that is 4. 2 less than 4 means it is proper fraction. Means we can apply partial fraction technique. Then if we see the factors carefully, there are two factors and both are in quadratic form. And therefore, using that technique, we get that term 2a square minus 1 divided by s square plus 1 first term, and second term as s square plus 9 as equals to. For the first quadratic factor, we write down as plus b. This is way to write the partial fraction, and divided by s square plus 1. And for second factor, again it is quadratic. For that, it is cs plus d divided by s square plus 9. And we call this equation 1. And then finding LCM, the product of these two terms is the LCM. Therefore, taking LCM, we get 2a square minus 1 is equals to, dividing by s square plus 1, this term get cancelled, remaining is s square plus 9. Therefore, multiply by that to this, we get as plus b multiplied by s square plus 9, and then dividing by s square plus 9, this term get cancelled, remaining is s square plus 1. Therefore, it is cs plus d multiplied by s square plus 1. Then simplifying it, making term by term multiplication, as into s square, we get as cube. Next, 9as, then b square, then 9b, four terms. Then we multiply this two brackets. First term is cs cube, then cs into 1 means it is cs only, then d square, and then d into 1 means d. And then adding these two equations. Therefore, taking s cube common from these two, adding this, we get a plus c into s cube. Then collecting the terms of s square, we get b plus d into s square. Then collecting the terms of s, we have 9a plus c, 9a plus c into s, and then constant term, addition of constant term, it is 9b plus d. And comparing this with, that is 2s square minus 1. Coefficient of s cube is here a plus c, and no term of s cube on left hand side. Therefore, equating it to 0, it implies or gives a equal to minus c. Then coefficient of s square is b plus d is equals to coefficient of s square in this left hand side is 2. Then coefficient of s, it is 9a plus c. 9a plus c equals to 0, no term of s. Therefore, subtracting this 2, that is a plus c equal to 0, and 9a plus c is equals to 0. Subtracting this, we get minus 9a minus c and minus c and minus c get cancelled. A minus 9a we get minus 8a, as 0 means a is equals to 0, and as a is 0 we get c is equals to 0. Then last constant term 9b plus d is equals to minus 1. Then solving this 2, we get it is b plus d is equals to 2, and the second one 9b plus d is equals to minus 1. And then subtracting minus, minus and plus. Plus d minus d get cancelled. B minus 9b we get minus 8b is equals to 1 plus 2 3, and therefore b is equals to minus 3 by 8. Substituting that value in this equation, we get d is equals to 2 minus b, 2 minus of minus it become plus, therefore it is 8 to the 16, 16 plus 3, that is 19 by 8. Then substituting the values of a, b, c and d in equation 1, we get a is 0, b is minus 3 by 8 divided by s square plus 1, c is 0, d is 19 by 8 and whole divided by s square plus 9. And then finding else inverse on both sides, and therefore inverse Laplace of left hand side term is 2s square minus 1 divided by s square plus 1 and s square plus 9, and that is equals to minus 3 by 8 constant term outside, inverse Laplace of 1 upon s square plus 1 and plus 19 by 8 constant term outside, inverse Laplace of 1 upon s square plus 9 means 3 square. And then applying standard result of inverse Laplace, 1 upon s square plus a square is 1 by a sine 80, and therefore it is minus 3 by 8. 1 by 1 is 1 and sine of 80 is 1, therefore it is sine t. 19 by 8, 1 by a, 1 by 3, sine of 3t, and therefore it is, I will write down the first positive term, therefore it is 19 by 24 sine 3t minus 3 by 8 sin t as the required answer or required inverse Laplace transform. One more I will discuss in my next video. Therefore, if you like my video, please share it as well as subscribe to my channel. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe it. And to receive the notification for my all such type of new videos, press the bell icon. Thank you. Thanks for watching.